Here we are on the 11th Monday night session of the season. I didn't start this quarter off as well as I would have liked to, and I haven't been doing a great job of making spares lately. Therefore, I've dug myself a hole to get out of in order to get my single pin spare average back to where I feel that 80% by the end of the season will be within reach. My individual goals give me something to focus on, other than just my overall average, however, and I'm up for the challenge of achieving all of them. Game 1 started out pretty good. I was on pace to having an excellent score up until I completely missed my target in the first rack of the 6th frame. Pulling the ball as far to the left as I did left me with a very difficult spare to make, but I think I did an okay job of recovering from that mistake. That's until I missed the 4-pin, another single pin spare, in the 2nd rack of the 10th frame. Let's see if I can do better in Game 2. I'm beginning to feel like a broken record. Missing single pin spares are so frustrating. I keep telling myself that I'm going to get my act together and make single pin spares more consistently, but it doesn't seem like what I've been doing has been working up to this point. I'm beginning to believe that being cognizant of my overall single pin spare average is causing me to unnecessarily pressure myself and consequently miss more of them. I'm still optimistic that I can turn it around by the end of this quarter, though.
I'm the real six guy, boy.
After missing multiple left side single pin spares throughout the night, I frustratingly tried something different at the very end of Game 3. I know I keep saying the same thing, but I'm going to devote some practice sessions to improving all the weaknesses in my game, especially single pin spares because I feel like they are the easiest way to increase my overall average. I'm looking forward to figuring it all out sometime soon. For anyone that has made it this far into the video, I appreciate you watching.